How to fix Ldplayer stuck at 34 to 94%. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you the most common troubleshooting steps for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue. Now before executing the troubleshooting step, what you want to have to make sure first is make sure that Ldplayer is not currently running in the background. To make sure, just simply pull up your task manager. Then under processes, make sure that Ldplayer or LD multiplayer is not listed under apps. If it is, just simply click it, right click it, and then choose on end task. Now, once you've done that, the next thing that you want to have to do is to go into your Windows search and type in Windows features, this one. And then what you want to have to do here is make sure that Hyper-V is not checked or is not enabled. Make sure that it is unchecked, and then scroll down in here. And you also need to double check if the Windows Hypervisor platform is enabled. If it is, you want to have to disable it and then hit on OK. Now rerun your LD player and it should be good. And that's how you fix LD player stuck at 34 to 94%.